everything was falling apart.
Got the Mickey hat? Are you ready for Disney?
Good morning. Today I'm going to be sharing with you everything I eat and drink in a day, along with my exercise fitness routine. Had a lot of requests for this, so if you like these kind of videos on my channel, make sure you click that thumbs up so I know, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe. But I woke up this morning and made sure I put on my workout gear right away so that I do not skip my workout today, because it's a holiday weekend here and Landon got in bed with us last night around midnight. So normally I try to wake up before the kids and get in my workout then, but when I woke up, he woke up today, so it just wasn't happening. But I think I can probably do it during Presley's first nap, and I'm excited to kind of share with you guys some of the new workout things that I am doing. And per usual, I'm starting out my day with a cup of my mushroom coffee and vanilla creamer. You having toast and banana? How's your toast and banana? Coley, are you the vacuum cleaner? Waiting for the droppings. God bless you. And typical mom life, I will finish the other half of the banana from what I gave to the kids. We had a change of plans and we ended up in TJ Maxx. I look so tired and I'm like so stressed right now. So I was getting the kids their clothes on and Adam was like, you need to get them out of the house right away. Like, I think I smell a natural gas leak. So I'm praying he's wrong, but he called the gas company and they're gonna send somebody over there right away. But he's like, this happened at my high school and this girl's dad like flipped on a light switch, and because of like the spark of the switch or something, it made the whole house like blow up. He's like, you need to get the kids out. So I'm like freaking out right now because we leave for our vacation tomorrow, and then we leave at like 4 o'clock in the morning, and there was just so much I was supposed to do today, and I just pray that there's nothing wrong with the house, because I don't know if there is, how long then we have to be out of the house for. Okay. Say this is your before, and then you can see what the after looks like, okay? You look so handsome. Look at you.
That all came from you? That's a lot of hair.
Yeah, that is a lot of hair.
So long to clean that.
Look at this handsome boy. Your haircut looks awesome, dude. Good job. Did you get a sucker?
Yeah.
Nice. Well, it is 1:39 and I'm finally actually getting something in my stomach. So I have banana nut protein oatmeal, a banana that's sliced up, a huge spoonful of the omega-3 peanut butter, and instead of water, I've been using chocolate milk, and this seriously tastes amazing. So I just came into the office to give myself a timeout because I need one. I'm so hangry, guys, because this, besides the half of a banana I had earlier, is the only thing I've eaten. So this is like my breakfast, lunch, snack before dinner, basically, since it's almost 2 o'clock in the afternoon. And I was just so shaken up and stressed out earlier from rushing out of the house. I think that just made the kids get shaken up. They were horrendous in the stores. And then when we went to get Landon's haircut, even though he looks so cute, they said it was gonna be a 10-minute wait. That turned into 40 minutes. So like Presley was going crazy. I only had a few snacks that I'd packed from the day before, because again, we rushed out of the house. So I feel like they were just like super squirrely and on edge because I was on edge. But thank God the gas company came out and there isn't anything. So I'm not sure what Adam was smelling, but at least now I could be in the house the rest of the day. But it just like completely threw me off. And since I didn't get to eat, I was hangry. I'm still a little bit hangry. So I just need a little time out. I can breathe. Adam's with the kids, getting them their lunch, and then get them down for their naps. And then I'm gonna finally get my workout in because I need to de-stress right now. Like, ugh, so bad. All right, both kids are finally asleep for their naps. So I'm gonna use the Active app, and I have some workouts saved. I think we're gonna start with this full body strength training and get rid of some of the stress.
Hello Team Active, and welcome to your beginning strength training workout. This workout is perfect if you are brand new to strength training.
And I just want to say thank you to Active for sponsoring today's vlog. And guys, Active has changed up my fitness routine for the better. On the Active app, there's over 2,500 workouts that you can do anytime, and there's 40 new classes added every single week. So it's the perfect way to pull you out of any fitness rut or plateau that you're in. And the best part for busy mom life is that workouts are as short as 7 minutes long, and you can pick the type of music that's the most motivating to you. So you can squeeze these workouts in on your phone anytime throughout the day that's going to work for you and your life. What I love is that you can add the workouts that interest you to a saved to-do or favorites list, and you can also download them to use even if you don't have Wi-Fi. And Active is for every fitness level. I've just been doing the beginner workouts, and they are intense. And there's cycling, elliptical, running, stretching, yoga, strength training. So you can try out a variety of things and figure out what's going to work for you. Am I sparkling right now? That kicked my butt, but let's keep it going, because I thought mommy CrossFit was keeping me in shape, and clearly I need to be doing a lot more. So I think there was some stretching ones on here I want to check out. I love on here you can like save workouts that you're interested in, and you can also see how long they are too. So if you need to just do that one fast 10-minute workout, it was clearly enough, but it's only 10 minutes, which is amazing. So I was really hoping to do some kind of core exercises. So this one is called Stable and Strong. It says it's beginner, it's 9 minutes, it's to pop music. So let's try this one. But for me, finding workouts that were short and to the type of music that I love made such a difference. So I could get in a good workout very fast in the morning or during nap time like today. And this way I don't have to get to the gym and waste any time with everything that's been going on in my life. So using Active for strength training and stretching workouts like the ones I'm doing in this video makes me feel like I have a personal trainer who comes to my house, and I don't have to waste any time going to and from the gym. So seriously, I would not recommend this to you guys if I wasn't obsessed with it. So try the Active app for yourself for free for 30 days and see if you like it. You can click my link below in the description box or enter the promotion code BRIANNAK when you check out for your free 30-day trial, and that will also save you 30% off of an annual membership. Active, guys. Wow. That was a workout. When I think about all of the changes our family has been through over the last couple of months, and just some of the really hard stuff we've been going through, when scares like what happened this morning, it just, to me, feels like it's a completely different level of stress, especially when it feels like so out of your control. That this was a 10-minute workout and a 9-minute workout. Even though it felt like everything was falling apart, like this has made me feel like, no, you're back in it, you can do this again. It was like a total reset button. I just think this is amazing, because whether you're at home working with your little ones and just need to get in a quick workout during nap time, or when I would travel on the road, being able to do this in my hotel room would have been amazing. And just now, with the fact that we are traveling quite a bit and plan to do some more traveling in the near future, this Active app is really cool to stay active, get in those quick workouts, and just diminish your stress level and make you feel better about yourself, which being a mom is always going to be stressful. There's varying levels of stress on the day, but this is a really awesome way to just kind of press that reset button and do something really good for yourself. That self-care that is so important. So I'm so thankful that Active reached out. I think it's a really cool app. And again, I will have all the information for Active. It's spelled A-A-P-T-I-V. So it kind of sounds like active, but you say like Active instead of active. And I will have the link in my description box below for you to check out when you're done watching this video. And maybe you can even get a quick workout for yourself today. Because seriously, you should do something for you. You deserve it, you are worth it, and you deserve some self-care and some self-love. I'm so happy because the rug that I had been waiting, I ordered this thing, gosh, I think the beginning of July, and it kept on getting like notifications that it wasn't getting shipped yet, like it got put on back order. Finally came. So I'm gonna get my scissors, cut the wrapping off, and almost finish the deck. The summer is basically over. And whoever said that women are not the stronger sex, beg to differ. That's workout number 2 for the day. Probably natural gas leak number 2. The first one I blame on Adam. But now I need a shower so bad. Whoop, whoop. Whoop, whoop. I was just doing some work upstairs and drank like 2 bottles of these and just opened a 3rd. My legs are like jelly going up and down the stairs. But I think Presley's up from her nap. Hi. Oh, something fall out? Look, you got that bump there because you keep banging it on the side of your crib, you goof. Can't do that. Gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. Presley's got her bow on. Are you ready for a Labor Day cookout? Landon, let me see you, big boy. What are you gonna eat at the cookout, Landon? Ride him, cowboy. Is that a pony? Oh, you are? Well, be careful. Actually, no, we can't stand on that, honey. It's too wobbly. Yeah, you are flying around like a wild boy. Hey, you can't always have that binky in your mouth. Whatever, Mom. Not cool. Whoa. Practicing. Nice. Well, both of the kids are up from their nap now. Hopefully we'll get along so I can have a little snack. I'm gonna have some cashews, some chocolate milk, and a banana just as like a post-workout snack before dinner. You being nice? Oh, so close. But it's like almost 4, and I think we'll probably eat a little bit when we go to the cookout, so. Yes. But my legs, they seriously feel like jelly after that workout. I was carrying Presley down the stairs, and honestly, I was like, oh my gosh, I feel so unstable. So I need something to try to help especially chocolate milk. I know this from running track and playing some other sports in high school. It's like really good for after a workout. So same thing with bananas, because the potassium helps, like if you have any kind of muscle cramps or anything. Oh yeah, no, she is down. Hi, how are you? Good, how are you? Good.
Okay, and the money?
You say hi to Grandma?
Where's Coley?
Okay, we need to get Aunt Kathy in here since she watches us.
Oh, this Coley.
She'll be 10 in October. I know. Our Bashan that I had growing up. Oh, thank you. I got $1. Thanks. All right, here's my dinner. I'm getting some salad, grapes. I think there's some blueberries in there too. Baked beans with bacon and pulled pork. And then this is Landon. He's having a hot dog, baked beans. There's like cheesy potatoes, and I cut up his grapes. And then Presley's are more so that she can pick it up, but grapes, crackers, cheese, and I just have to slice up her hot dog. So this is dinner.
It's hot in here. Oh, I'm still wet, so I'm okay. Where's Presley? You don't look too happy with your food.
She knows how to
She's shaking right now. You're such a stinker.
She just about to eat it herself.
Oh.
I know, really. No.
You're
flying with Barney on your flight to LA.
I was waiting to see if you were going to say it.
Sneaky dog, you. I had to look around for that one. Your mom's a sneaky one.
I'm going upstairs to bathe and edit, so I'll see you in a few hours. Come to mama. Day. This isn't any indication of how today was. Holy guacamole. Thank God we don't have a natural gas leak in our house. And sorry that the what I eat didn't exactly go as planned. We definitely got derailed there, but got back on track. I'm definitely still feeling like my legs feel a little bit like Jello still. So I'm gonna take a bubble bath, enjoy my Apothic Red, enjoy my Cosmic Brownie. I deserve it after those 18-19 minutes using my FDiv workouts, which I'll have a link again down below in case you want to try them too. I would highly recommend it. But I think the next time I will see you guys will be in our Disney travel vlogs, and travel vlogs are my absolute favorite thing to edit, and I just can't wait to share this with you guys. It's a collab with my best friend here on YouTube, Tara Henderson, so make sure you're following her too, and that you're following on Instagram so you can kind of see fun snippets first, but check out the travel vlogs once we're back. But I hope you guys have a great rest of your day, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves.